everybody. We're starting a video I have always wanted to do. I'm really excited about this. Today we're doing a week of workouts. I'm not over here like grinding, working out. I'm over here doing active activities because I think that's way more fun to do in the summertime. This video is sponsored by Fabletics. Everything I'm gonna be wearing throughout this entire week is from Fabletics, which I'm very excited about. You guys know I love them. This is my outfit right now. I'll show you guys a close-up once we get to the lake, but our first activity today is Monday. We're going paddleboarding. We've honestly been doing this every single week, or maybe more than once a week. Yeah, I'm with Katie and her sister Jamie. We're gonna take you guys out on the lake. I even brought the GoPro. So we're about to get some content. This is gonna be a fun week, and it's really hot here in Oregon, so I'm gonna be wearing a lot of shorts. Life jacket for Jamie. Jamie started a water fight. I'm coming for you, Jamie.
I need some motivation. Your body's got me weak. Watching you when now you're shaking. Don't fake it.
That worked so well. Good thing that my Fabletics is water wicking. I'll never be soaked. This is what happens when the sisters try to jump on each other's paddleboards. We made it to the island, so we went all the way halfway down the lake. Ta-da! That was good execution, but I knew you were going down. Yeah, it's a sacrifice you make. Okay, try the dive. I'll hold your board. Don't trip on your paddle. No, Jamie! No!
Why don't you fill me out? You think that you know me 'cause you see me around.
All right, we finished our paddleboarding excursion. It was really fun, honestly. It's really helped my twig arms look a little bit less twiggy, which is nice. So if you guys live by a river or a body of water, see if there's a place you can rent them because it's really fun. It's really good for your balance as well, which is great for me when I go skiing. It's so hot out today that I probably will just call that my workout of the day, trying to stay active out here, and I recommend you guys do the same. I also forgot to give you a review of my awesome shorts from Fabletics. These things are so comfortable even when they're wet, which is rare because, I mean, obviously I'm gonna get wet on the board. Definitely 100% my new paddleboarding shorts. I'm gonna put the name of these because they're awesome. I'll catch you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Happy Tennis Tuesday. Pretty much every Tuesday I play tennis, so that's what today's fun activity is going to be. I want to show you guys my outfit from Fabletics. I'm wearing my favorite tennis skirt ever. I'm seriously obsessed with it. I think they have a pink color right now for this month, so I'll try to link the individual outfits that I'm wearing down below so that you guys can shop them, but this one's super nice. It's got pockets right here, so I can actually put the balls in my pockets. It also has a skirt, so a lot of times if I'm playing tennis, I'm not that good. I need a lot of balls, so I'll just like hold them in my skirt like spandex thing. And then it's also got a pocket on the back, which I think is super cute. You can put your cards in there, and if you were going on a walk or something and didn't want to carry your wallet, you have it all on you. My top that I'm wearing is the same top that I wore yesterday, but in this really cute hazy gray color. This is the Sync Seamless bra, and it's got like built-in padding and everything, so I can just wear this, and it's super comfortable and lightweight. I don't feel like I'm suffocating wearing a super tight bra, but it's still really supportive, which I love, and I think this color is so pretty. It also has perforated little edges on the side, so there's some details, which is awesome. I'm gonna go play tennis. I'll try to actually film clips of me playing because in the last vlog that I showed playing tennis, I cut us out of frame. We're not gonna do that this time. We're gonna actually get us in frame, and it's supposed to be really hot today, so I'm gonna put on some sunscreen. Protect yourself out there. I'm not trying to die, not trying to get dehydrated. Someone said in my last video that me talking about drinking water reminded them to drink water, so use this as a reminder to drink water. You're with Katie Mack, my quarantine buddy. Today we're gonna work on her skills because Katie has actually never really played tennis before.
Not a very good tennis player, guys. Wanna know what quarantine is for? Quarantine is for learning new tricks.
Forgot something. My water. I'm gonna need that.
You're definitely gonna need that.
Hi vlog.
If you ever need someone to teach you how to do something, Kiara is the person to call. She has now taught me how to ski, how to wakeboard, teaching me how to play tennis. Oh my god, I just had a genius idea. If Kiara did a how-to series and like did all the basics of like teaching people how to do things. She's very athletic. You wouldn't necessarily think so if you just saw her walking on the street, but that girl, she's an outdoorsy little athletic thing. Exposing Kiara Madison's hidden talent.
I'm back. Whoopsie. Let's get this party started. The point of this conversation was, yeah, I'm gonna teach Katie Mac some skills. So we're gonna do a little warm up.
Look like art. Look like art. Shawty look like. I hear you like heat that coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art.
When the ball comes over the net, you're making your steps and you're running and your racket's already back and you're turned sideways. The key is really to turn sideways. And like another really bad habit that I'll have is just like chicken wing, or I'll like go like this because I'm too close to it and I don't get away. And you can't swing as fully when your arm's not extended. You know? So here's my contact point with the ball. My racket's nice and perpendicular, and then I follow through. Let's play some jams.
Day weekend, hit it on me, then can't believe it. Oh, they like me now, yeah. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey.
We're gonna go feed Katie some ground balls so she can have practice hitting some forehands. She's actually very athletic and very good. She's just literally like never played before. And I'm not very good either, so I'm just trying to be Coach Kiara. All right.
Look like art. Look like art. I hear you like heat and coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. Look like art. Look like art.
She's getting better. She's so hard on herself though. All right, Katie Mac and I are at it here. Good rally, you got the hopper?
Real hot.
It is real hot. So definitely hot for us. Need AC and maybe some lunch. But that was fun. Honestly, it's like you improve every single time you play.
That
and
was the
even
first
for
time
me.
we've really worked on like skills for me.
Right.
Which was good.
Katie was saying, which is honestly the truest point, is it's like she's never actually learned how to hit it the right way. So it's really hard to like break the habit. And I gotta practice my backhands. I think these are our balls.
Yep. I'm really sweaty.
Me too.
Like, really.
I worked out my toxins, you know what I mean? I really just like this. I like this shirt. It's like the perfect between a sports bra and an actual shirt.
Cute. I love the color.
And this tennis skirt, people, it holds so many balls. Usually I can only fit 4. I could definitely fit literally 8 in my skirt because I've got the spandex and I got the pockets. So we're really balling out here. All right, we're gonna get food and we'll talk to you later.
That coladas, like that, she not one for drama.
Hello guys, today is Thursday and we're back at it with today's weekly workout. As you can tell, I'm in a new location. I'm actually back in Eugene because I'm moving out this weekend. This is one of the last times you will see my beautiful old room. It's almost midnight. Katie and I are gonna wind down with some yoga. I honestly have traditionally not been a huge fan of yoga, but I really do need to stretch more because I'm really unflexible. My body can get really tight and sore, so it's really good to stretch. I have probably one of my favorite Fabletics outfits to show you guys tonight, so let me show you. I have these adorable rust colored leggings. These are the Trinity leggings. They are so comfortable. These ones have a pocket in them and they actually have 2 different layers, so this is like 1 layer. These pants hold your phone super well, very comfortable. I just love the color. I'm pairing it with this really cute soft white tank. I'll link this down below if I can for you guys. I just tied it in a little knot. I'm wearing it with this Melanie seamless tank in black. I actually have this in black, white, and pink. They were all in the August collection and I think this is one of the most comfortable tanks that you can wear. We're gonna do some yoga. Katie says she's gonna find a good YouTube video so that we can watch it, do some yoga, and then wind down, wash her face, get all ready for bed.
A lot can happen in a day.
We're gonna be in Zen night mode. I gave Katie my Fabletics shorts. These are my favorite. I wore these on Monday. They're the Oasis high-waisted short, pocket short.
They're really comfy.
Aren't they the most comfortable thing ever? I'm gonna need beginner.
Oh, warning you. I'm not advanced.
Oh no, I can't be serious. I can't.
And take 7 inhales through the nose.
All your dreams coming true. Shows you what a day can do. The strawberry fields forever. all the young dudes. Lucy in the sky with diamonds.
TBH people, this is not working. First of all, Katie and I can't really get zen. And second of all, Katie's on a towel because I only have one yoga mat. I think honestly, we're gonna do some squats, okay? This is more my type of workout anyway. When I do work out, I like to do squats. Gives me really good quad strength for skiing, and I just much prefer the leg workout. Here we go, people.
Shows you what a day can do. It shows you what a day can do. It shows you what a day can do.
What's up, guys? Today is another moving day for Katie and I wanted to show you guys today's Fabletics outfit. This is the Piper seamless tank. I have this in 3 colors. This one's in maroon, which I think is super cute, and I'm wearing it with these shorts. This is one of the last times we will do an outfit in the mirror. But yeah, these are the shorts from Fabletics. They are the Roxy Tri-Cut shorts. I'll put the name right here because you need to go find them. They're so soft. I can't even describe this to you. They're just incredibly soft. They also have pockets, which are really deep. Holds my phone great. It's not gonna fall out. And they're very high-waisted, which I love. Super comfortable, especially on a hot day where I'm constantly doing stuff. Right now, Katie and I are gonna go on a bike ride around Autzen. We're taking a break. As you can see, my room is still pretty intact during this move because I'm trying to keep it that way for a long time. I hate saying goodbye to things, and it's gonna be a sad thing to say goodbye to. This is gonna be our fit activity of the day. But the truth is, we've been doing stuff all day because we've been packing and moving and on our feet. Sad news, we came to the EMU to go pick up the bikes, and there's only one, even though the app said that there were 2 bikes. It's pretty hot out here, and we've already walked a good distance to Autzen Stadium, so we're honestly just gonna go on a walk. Every day doesn't have to be a grind. We just wanna get some fresh air. We're getting in our feels over here because we walked on campus, so now we're sitting in all the spots that are sentimental to us. College life, it's sad. All right, let's go to Autzen Stadium. We both started vlogging at the same time.
Our camera's built to the thing at the exact same moment.
So we are still on our walk. We've now walked to Autzen and back and all through campus. Finally, nice and breezy out here. My feet are tired. We've been walking so much, which is a good sign. We definitely got our steps in today. Also, do you like my mask? Whenever someone walks by, I'm like, mask on. If we go walk to any more exciting places, I'll bring you.
I wait for hours, I wait for days.
This alleyway has so many memes. Walking back from class after a long day, like this was my route for 3 years. I told Katie, I hope we can walk with our children through all of these places that we love so much and show them, talk to them about the memories. There's Katie's old apartment complex, K14. So many memes. I feel so lucky to have had them, you know? I never ended up finishing this vlog, this video of my week of workouts. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe it inspired you to get outside more, get active, and working out can be fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to give a huge shout out to Fabletics again for sponsoring this video. If you guys sign up using the link in my description box, you guys can get 2 pairs of bottoms for $24, which is a crazy good deal. The membership also has a ton of other perks, which allows you to get really big discounts on a lot of different outfits. You can also shop exclusive outfits, and you don't have to shop every month. If you don't want to, you can always skip shopping by the 5th of the month. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Today's comment of the day is going to be, what is your favorite way to stay active? I'll talk to you later. Adios.